All right, guys, so it's the last part of the tour probably. I got another cabinet over there that has my power tools, but I'm not gonna dig through it right now. So here's my workbench that I have set up in my garage. Not a lot of room, as you can see, so. And then this is the last toolbox I'll go through. So I'll just go into start this one now. So up here, up top, I just have cutting tools, scissors, pruners, blades, some adhesives. Nothing really special in here, just got some old knives, box cutters, a little Titan knife, got an old Leatherman tool that was a Christmas gift for me. I think this one's a Wingman. This is part of my transmission pump kit. Just little adapters for it. On the newer Nissans, they have sealed. There's no transmission dipstick, so you have to go from the bottom and pump it in. Plastic scrapers, pick tools, bits, more bits, vessel screwdriver, nut driver. Not nut driver, but just a 1/4" drive handle. Precision screwdriver sets, torque sets from Gear Wrench. These are pretty nice. I should have just got all the orange handles. All the red ones are from before the orange handles came out. If I had known that, I would have waited. But 1/4" torque drive from Husky, 10 Snips, DeWalt screwdriver. It's a gyroscopic one. Pretty cool. Had this for a while. My brake stuff. Dual piston caliper brake tool. I love this thing. It makes it so much easier. Oh, spring compressor. Nothing fancy. Brake caliper tool. And then this is the manual pump for the brake fluids. I did end up getting a pneumatic one, so flashlights, headlamps. I love these Energizer ones. They're very durable. I've dropped them in oil pans full of oil. Pulled it right out, wiped it off, still kept going. DeWalt flashlight. Love these new neck lights from Easy Red. But I will note that if you're working in a hot garage, after a while, these will kind of get warm. So just make note of that. Another Energizer flashlight. These Defiant ones from Home Depot. Then down here, I just have the fan, some hole saw kits, air compressor from Bauer. Nothing special. Over here, my workbench. Got this DeWalt 6-inch vise. This thing was only 99 bucks when I bought it. I think it was Home Depot. But for the price, quality, and the name brand, you're not gonna find one cheaper at this size and this durable. I had this probably about 4 or 5 years now. No issues with it. It is very heavy, but it works great. So just a little hardware stuff. Here, keep batteries, keys, pencils, whatever, bunch of stuff. And here, notepads, sticks for mixing glue, calculators, when I can't compete with my head, magnifying glass, first aid kits, band-aids, because when you're working on cars, you do bust up knuckles. You don't want to bleed all over everything. That's my binocular harness. Down here is measuring stuff, carpentry stuff, I guess, and clamps, clamps, speed squares, calipers, some rotary tool stuff, and extra hardware, rivets. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Again, if y'all have any questions, put it in the comments below, and I can go into detail more about anything that y'all have questions on. Up here, got my electric chainsaw. So yeah, let me come back out here. So yeah, not a lot of room. So, thanks guys.